अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज का वीडियो में पीएससी जेएसटी में आने वाले जनरल साइंस के एमसीक्यूज से बना रही हूँ। ये सब टेक्स्ट बुक से एमसीक्यूज लिए गए हैं जो कि टेस्ट में 25 मार्क्स का है। तो वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। साइंस इज थॉट टू बी द नॉलेज बेस्ड ऑन assumption, prediction, big idea, C, D, observation। इसका जो आंसर है वो है observation। The initial remarkable work on optics was done by Jabir bin Hayyan, Muhammad bin Zakaria, Al-Qazi, Al-Riazi, Ibn al-Hatim, Ibn al-Hashim, al-Beruni। इसका राइट आंसर है Ibn al-Hashim। The book Al-Qanun was written by a Muslim scientist named Bu Ali Sina। The Industrial Revolution came in 18th century after the invention of steam engine। इसका आंसर है Technology is nothing but application of scientific knowledge। Kitabul Manzar is written by Ibn al-Hashim। Daesh is regarded as father of chemistry, Jabir bin Hayyan। The Daesh is the invention which is regarded as the milestone of development of science, wheel। The first metal used by man was dash, copper। Dash had used the force of steam to invent steam engine, hero। The steam engine was first used to run the dash motor car। In 1982, a German scientist Dash invented diesel engine। Rudolf Diesel। Petrol or diesel engine is called Dash engine, combustion engine। In 1880, Italian scientist Dash found that electric current can be generated by chemical changes, Alexander Volta। In 1831, an English scientist Dash had discovered that through a coil of wire, a magnet is moved, then an electric current can be generated, माइकल फ्राडे। अच्छा, इसके साथ उर्दू में भी लिखा हुआ है, वो आप पढ़ सकते हैं। इसके साथ आप स्क्रीनशॉट भी ले सकते हैं। The energy obtained by some metals such as uranium 235 and uranium 238 is called this atomic energy। Every living being is made up of cells। The branch of science that discusses with force and energy is called physics. This is the first chemist who derived chemistry through tried chemical theory and laws on the basis of his experiment. Jabir bin Hayyan. Desh introduced the numerical and decimal system. Muhammad bin Musa al-Khawarizmi. Desh had invented the method of measurement of angle. Muhammad bin Musa al-Khawarizmi. The book Algebra al-Muqabala was written by Muhammad bin Musa. The work of Desh is regarded universal as encyclopedia of machines. alaikum. The grand unification theory GUT was presented by Dr. Abdul Salam. Because of Desh, Pakistan became an atomic power. Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan. The branch of science which studies the history of various layers of Earth, their composition and structure, and their underground changes is called Desh. Geology. The branch of science that studies the atmospheric condition of Earth and about season is called meteorology. Those individuals who make prophecy about the changing combination of seasons are called meteorologists. The study of bacteria or small microscopic germs is called microbiology. Rudolf Diesel invented diesel engine. The book Al-Qanun and Al-Shifa are written by Abu Ali Sina. Desh has reached on composition of sound and presented it in the form of frequency. Yaqub al-Kindi. Which Muslim scientist wrote the book Kitab-ul-Manzar? Ibn al-Hashim. A scientist of subcontinent who was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics is Desh. Dr. Abdul Salam. The branch of science which studies animals only is called zoology. The branch of science which studies plants only is called botany. In 1800, an Italian scientist discovered that electric current could be produced through chemical changes whose name was Desh. Alexander Volta. In 1831, an English scientist discovered that electric current could be produced by moving a magnet through a coil wire whose name was Desh. Michael Faraday. The branch of science that deals with food is constituent and the deficiency caused by lack of some nutrients is called science of nutrition. इस वीडियो को यहाँ पे एंड करते हैं। इसके 2 और सेट रहते हैं जो हम अगली वीडियो में बनाएंगे, नहीं तो वीडियो काफी लंबी हो जाएगी। तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज।